Now here we have the Volport car mount holder system, and it's a system because we have a sticker mount that actually has a screw, which is unique. I haven't seen this before, and I guess you could suction this down and you're good to go to screw in the mount. And it also has a convenient quick locking. You just turn, see it has a hook, and then you just turn it and the hook extends and retracts to lock itself into most any vent of any car, and it's installed like that. You have the ball mount there. Other than the windshield glass mount, which extends, has this adjustment here. So you could attach this, which is suction, and then you attach this with a screw. So you can actually have this for 2 cars. I want this. I like this here. You come out this. Let's mount it right there. So when in nice and tight, let's tighten this up. Now this is the bread and butter of the system. So it has a button back here. As you can see, the button. Let's release. Nice. Nice. And you ratchet, close it, secure it. Nice release, nice even release. Good padding back here, super soft grips here. Nice pads down here for your phone. And this has an Android device, and it has a pretty thick case. So you put it here, lock it in. It's locked upside down, ain't going nowhere sideways. You want it free, and it's free. So that's kind of cool. Super quick, super easy, and it has a little satisfying slow roll. So it looks good. So here we have it mounted on my left side, which is where I like to mount my cell phone holders on the windshield, and it's out of my field of view, and it's got enough depth. The bar extends far enough to not interfere with this weird type of dash, and I could still put my charging cables connected easily, and it's very secure, very nice, and it's not going to bounce around. I could probably adjust it a little bit better, but for now this is just a quick setup, and I'm pretty happy with it. And back here is the button to release, one hand operation because I'm holding the camera, and it opens right up and I'm ready to go. And even with this super thick cell phone case holder, it just comes right out, comes right in. It's very quiet because it's got padding all around the mounts of the cell phone, and this is the nice easy release from the ratcheting system, and it's easy to place in and cinch it right up, just giving it a little squeeze, and you're set to go. It's as simple as that. It's well laid out. This car cell phone kit system is great. It'll fit anybody's needs for any modern car, and it's a well-made product, and you should be happy and pretty satisfied with it.